Hi everyone. So in this video, we'll discuss about the updates in Revit 2022. What are the new updates? What are the good features that has added in the Revit 2022? So we'll start with the revisions first. What they have updated in the revisions. So right here, I'm on a sheet, and if I click on Views tab right there on revisions, right there you can see one more customized numbering tab they have added. So if I click on that numbering, you can select any of kind of format like alpha sorry, alphanumeric or numeric. So I'm selecting that one, or you can on create your as well. Like if I want to create my own, so I'll click on that new revision icon, and I can rename like BIM Guru, something like that. And it should be numeric or alphanumeric. It depends on a requirement. I'll go with alphanumeric as of now. As you can see, the customized sequence will be ABCD, something like that, and in that I'll add prefix as well. So first of all, if I'll add the prefix right here, I wanted to add a sorry a0 as my prefix. So the format will be a01 a02. Okay, that will not work, I guess. The format will be like A0A. So that will not work. So we should go with the numeric. I guess in that case it will work. Like now, if you'll see, if I'm going with the numeric, I should remove this one first of all, cancel it. The theorem is that's not any sense of selecting that one. So if I'll go with the numeric now, what I want to do, revise it like it should be A01, A02, something like that. So I'm going to give the name as BIM Guru right there. Should be numeric, and the minimum digits means it should be, if it is 1 then it should be 1. If I'll go with the 2 digits, it will be 0 1 0 to something like that, but I'll go with the 1 digit because whatever I want, I'll add in my prefix. Or else I'll go with the 2, so that it will be like 0 1 0 2 0 3, something like that. Okay, and I'll add prefix as a only. So it will be A01, A02, something like that. Starting number, we know that it's from 1. We can revise that number as well if we want. But right now, I'm not revising that one. I'll click on OK directly. And I'll click on OK again. Now, if I'll add that revision as per the sheet, because we are not going on all the sheets at a time, I'll go with the sheet by sheet. So right here we can see the one revision already added, that is numeric. That's not ours, that's the default, like numeric and alphanumeric. So first revision will be numeric, but we can add our own revision as well. Like if I'll select right there as BIM Guru, and if you'll see, if I'll click on OK, there will be two revisions. Well, drag it down right there, and I'll check both. The revision format will be different. Like the first revision will be 1, but the second revision will be A01, because this is our customized revision that we have added as of now. So this kind of sequence will be helpful if you are working on some temporary submissions, some final submissions. That will be very useful. Yeah, so now the second thing they have added, the grids in 3D. As we know that earlier we can see the grids in 2D format only, not in 3D. We can see levels in 3D only, but right now they added the grid feature as well in 3D as well. So how we can cross check that thing? If I'll go in 3D view, I should temporary hide was right there. So I'll press HR. Yeah, and I'll click on isometric view. Perfect. And I'll remove the section box so that we can see full building. Yeah, so right there we can see no grids are right there. I'll hide this topography so that we can see a clean picture. Okay, the grids are already right there because I have worked on that one. How this feature will work right here in property, if you'll see show grid, they have added one feature. If I click on add it, right there I added the grids. I want to see the grids of level 1, so that is why it is showing. If I'll uncheck this one, these grids will be hidden. Okay, so you can cross check that which levels grid you want to show. Like if you want to show the level 2 grid, you can click on that level 2, and now you can see this is level 2 grids. If I'll select right here, if I'll go in level 2, Okay, I need to select one more time. 3D. I'll select this one. I'll go 3D. Right here, you can see it's hidden because this crop view is applied, I guess. If I'll uncheck this one, yeah. If I'll select now in 3D, the eighth number grid, and I'll go in level 2, you can see it's selected. So that's how it'll work. So they have added just great feature as well, like we can rectify in 3D as well, where's my element and those kind of things. Now the third thing they have added, the walls, the customized walls. Right here I already created a simple wall, you can see basic wall. But if I'll scroll down in property, they have added cross section, that is right now vertical, but they have added slant as well. If I click on that one, you can see some kind of angle feature is right there. If I'll go with the 12-degree, you can see it's slanted with the, it's kind of ramp kind of thing it's created, right? If I'll go in backside so that I guess you can see the clear picture. Let me try, not from the backside. Oh, that's inclined wall. I guess I have created, yeah, you can see now. This kind of thing, it's already right there. But there's one more feature that they have added, and what is that? First of all, let me cross check. Yeah, if I'll go in level 1, I'll create one wall right there in architecture wall, and right there there are a lot of options. I want to create a curve wall, so if I'll create a curve wall by curve, one point, second point, and the third point I'm creating like this. Okay, now if I'll go in 3D for this one, this kind of wall it's right there. And now if I'll scroll down right there, and I want tapered. Okay. Oh, the variable should be checked. If I'll go and edit type, first of all, if I want to do this one, go and structure edit, right? It should be variable. I'll check this one, click on OK, OK, perfect. Now if I'll click on this section, I'll go for the tapered. Now, there are two options, exterior angle and interior angle. First of all, I should check this override type properties. And now I wanted to give the exterior angle 5 degree, and this should be 15 degree. Okay. Now you can see the top is 5-degree angle, but the bottom is the 15-degree angle, the exterior and interior angle I'm talking about. So that's how you can create the tapered wall, slanted wall, the new feature they have added. Now, one more thing they have added in model categories. If I'll go in visibility graphics, first of all, they added one category, infrastructure. Okay, if I'll check all the categories as of now, so that we can see how many model categories they have added. There are a lot of. I'll go with some of example, like you can see abutments right there, or audio visual devices they've added. Earlier it was only communication devices were right there. You can see bridges, cables, something like that they have added more. And I'll go down. They have added food service equipments, and yeah, medical equipments they separately added. Previously we were using mechanical equipment for that one, or generic model, something like that. Nurse call devices they've added. There are a lot of more categories they've added. You can see signage, something like that they have added. That's very useful to use, so that we cannot use generic model categories for Revit. Now, again, if I'll go with the Dynamo player as well, they've added, they have updated the Dynamo as well in this one. Now, if I'll open the Dynamo, it's I guess 2.5. I'm not sure. Like I did not open till enough, but I just got to know that they have revised the Dynamo version as well in this one. Let me cross check which Dynamo version it is. I'm not sure about 2000. Yeah, it's 2.10 as of now. So they have also added some more default Dynamo scripts for the Dynamo player. We can use those ones. That is the basic thing for the Dynamo thing. The one more, one of my favorite features that was not till of date for the Revit, that they have added to batch export the PDF and CAD in a proper naming convention, or customized naming convention, if I'll say, whatever we want. So for that one, like suppose. There are some sheets, right? So we have some sheets right there. If I'll go on file option right there, export PDF, and right there this kind of form will open. Right there we have selected view set. If we have some sets, if you do not know how to create, just okay, I'll create for you one. Right now you can directly type Control P, that is the default one, and right there you can see selected views or sheets. Click on select, and first of all check none because you are creating the new one. Okay, uncheck the views because we are selecting only the sheets. Right here I'll select three sheets default, this one and this one. Three sheets I'm selecting. Save as um, trial. Okay, I'm giving a trial, so I'm creating a set. Click on close, okay, and close because we are not printing as of now. Okay, we have created the set only. Now I'll click on file option right there, export PDF, and right there if I'll click on this icon, select view sheet, you can see the previous sets are right there, but I have created this new one. You can click on that. You can edit as well from right there if you want to uncheck any of the sheets, but I don't want to uncheck any of the sheets. And now right there you can see export setup. Already taken the export setup. If you want to change, then you can change as well, rename as well, delete as well, or some more setting you can do right there. If you'll do some more setting right there, you can save that one as well. Okay, that is not that much important because that is the same thing that we can do in previous Revit versions as well. The important thing is this one, file name. First of all, if you will check this one, it means you are creating a single binder of that one. In that case, it will take the name if you will give a single binder name. But if you are giving separate PDFs, how you will rename or customize the name of that one? This icon, click on that icon right there. You can see there are different properties, different parameters right there, but these are for views. But I don't want for the views, I want for the sheets. So I'll go with the sheets, and first of all, I'll go with the sheet name. Correct. I'll go with the sheet name. Sheet number is already there. But if you want to go with the sheet number only, then you should go with that one. So right here, I'll go with the sheet number only. I'm not selecting sheet name. Let's see that how it'll work. So I'll click on OK right here. This is the path of the folder where you want to export. So I want to export at this folder only. If I want to change the setting, this is A1 paper size. I have zoom to fit, all those kind of things I have already done. If you want to change, you can change it. I'll click on export. Right there, sport exporting, and we'll open that particular folder. Right here, you can see we want those PDFs. So let's see. It's exporting as of now. Yeah, one PDF in proper sheet number. You can see these are our sheet numbers. So we exported three sheets. Let's see, three sheets will be right there. The last one is pending. Perfect. We have gone all with all these three. So if I'll open any of the sheet, sorry, yeah, that's opened. You can cross check that's proper sheet that we have in Revit, and that's how we can export the batch thing. The same thing will be going with the CAD as well, as we export the CAD as well. Okay, so that's very unique feature that they have added in Revit 2022. Now, if we'll proceed with the one more feature, that is schedule break thing. How we can use that one? First of all, I'll create a new sheet so that we can review how it'll work. And right there, if I'll create a new sheet right there for you, and we have default one schedule right there. You can create a new one, but I'll use this one. If I'll drag it right there in the sheet, this is the small one. Okay, no worries. The point is, if I'll sometimes what happens, the schedule uh, is very big, right? So it does not come on a single sheet. So we break that schedule, right? So if I'll click on this icon to break the schedule, right here we can see this second schedule as of now. And also, if you notice that we have two different views for the same schedule, like this one is part one of two, and this is two of two. we can delete or something like that, but it is created defaultly as we break the schedule as of now. Now we also can move the additional schedule that we break that one on another sheet as well. If I'll break this one, if I'll drag this one in another sheet, from right there, it's independent kind of thing now. If I'll delete this one, there's not an impact on the other sheet as well. It's right there. Okay, but the dependency what it has is that if I'll go in previous sheet, a file right now it's T4, correct? And if I'll see the this one, it's from T5. It means it is going with the same order, right? If I'll go on the previous sheet and if I'll drag it a little bit like till T2, okay, till T2. If I'll see the my sheet, it has started from T3. It means it has the connectivity. Okay, so that's very great feature with the schedule breaking or those kind of things, so that we can move the schedule on different sheets, or the connectivity thing will be right there. Now, the different thing, the one more additional feature that they have added is multi-category schedule. What is in multi-category schedule? If I'll click on schedules right there, new schedule and quantity. If I'll go with the multi-category schedule, first of all, there is one more thing that they have added. You can see the search option for the parameters, so we do not need to worry if there are a lot of parameters are right there. If I want to go with the specific set of the parameters or specific parameter, we can search for that one, like the comment I want to search, it's right there. I'll simply drag it and click on OK. That's very unique feature that they have added in this one. Right now we do not have any value for the comment, so that is why it's not showing. But that's a very great feature that they have added in multi-category schedule, that we can search for the parameter, something like that. Okay. Now, if I'll come with another kind of feature of Revit that they have added. So if I'll go in this view, right there, we can rotate the tags as well, as per um, as per our requirement. Okay, this is straight billing, so we cannot see any issues with that one. But imagine, right here you can see this is text. Okay, text. Previously we can also write it, but right now, if I'll go with something like that, should be okay. No worries. I'll tell you that how it'll work. Suppose this is our tag, okay, and I want to rotate it by 45 degrees, something like that, to tilt it. We can click on rotate command. I'll give 45-degree rotation simply. That's how we can do. That's a very great feature as of now. If our building is something rotated or in curved shape, and right there I wanted to give some tags in that particular format only, that will be great feature as of now. That's very great. Now, for the same thing, the ladder is not added for this one. If I'll turn on the ladder for this one, this is for this kind of, I guess, window. Yeah, this is the window. But imagine I wanted to give the same tag. As you can see, I have added 4 times. Correct? It means these 4 windows have the same keynote. But I do not want to give the 4 keynotes. I just wanted to give one keynote, and I wanted to give the letters for all. So how we can do this thing? I'll select the tag. Right here we have one feature, add remove host. I'll click on that one. I'll select the other one for which I want to give the tag. Perfect. That's done. Now I'll click on escape. I can delete these remaining. Now you can see it has the tags for all the windows. That is a very unique feature. We can also remove the host. I'll select that one. If I want to remove, I'll click on simply that one. Okay, that's very great feature that they have added. So now if I'll move on to another feature of Revit 2022, if I'll give a dimension as of now, I'll show you from right there to right there. Let's see. Yeah, it's 6,000. Okay. Previously, yeah, also we have a feature to kind of give prefix or suffix, something like that, but there was some um, issue was right there. Yeah, we can add the prefix and suffix at the earlier version as well. But as of now, what they have done, if I'll click on the dimension, I'll click on edit type. Scroll down right there. If you'll see in primary units, dimension prefix, dimension suffix. So we do not need to give each and every time for each and every dimension a particular prefix or suffix. If I'll add right there, just bim data bim dimension, if I'll add something like that, and suffix will be okay. If I'll click on OK, yeah, you can see it's already, and it will be applied for all the dimension. If I'll, sorry, if I'll create a new dimension, CS, from right there to right there, you can see the same kind of thing will be working at the moment. So we do not need to worry about each and every time to give prefix and suffix uh, every time. Yeah. So now, if I'll go with the another option as well, that is project parameter search option that they have added in this one. If I'll click on in my manage tab, right there in project parameter, they have added search bar option or the filter option as well. We can go with a different kind of discipline, different kind of parameter type, different kind of value as well, which kind of thing you wanted to search, and as well it is type parameter or instance parameter, or you can search by name as well. That's great feature. Right now we do not have that much parameter, that is why it seems very visible that there are two parameters only, but imagine there are hundreds or thousands of parameters are right there in the project, that how we can search that thing. That will be very helpful at that moment. Now one more thing that they have added in the filters, two things they have added. We'll discuss both. If I'll press VV, visibility graphics, right there, if I'll come in visibility, sorry, in filters tab, if I'll click on edit and new, if I'll create a new one by rule based filter I'm creating, the name does not matter, but what matters, if I'll click on not this one, air terminals example, we can go with any model categories. But if I'll go with model categories as of now and drop down, you can see they have added phase um, things as well. Like we can filter any of the elements on the basis of phases as well. Like it is already created, it's demolished, it's new, something like that. That is very useful at the moment when you are extracting the sheets or you want to review uh, the as-built model or the new model, something like that. That's very unique thing that they have added. So that was a great feature. If I click on OK, the second feature that they have added in filters, that is quite what we can say, time reducing thing. That's great. If I'll add three filters right there, filter one, filter two, filter three, this one, add. Now we can select multiple filters at a moment. We can enable filters. We can visibility turn off on at a moment. Previously, it was not like that. We need to select all one by one, something like that. And that was very good feature that they have added in this one as well. Now, the last feature that I'll talk about, that is dependent callout thing or independent callout thing that you can consider. What it is, suppose I'll create a callout in this view in level one. If I'll go with the view tab right there, where's the callout? Callout, yeah, it's right there. So I'll click with the callout. I'll create this one. Perfect. You can see level one callout is right there. If I'll go in this view, you can see this one. Okay. If I'll create one more callout right there, these four. Now one more callout right there. Okay. But you can see these are independent views, correct? These are not dependent on the first one. If I'll imagine, if I'll delete this particular view, will it be deleted? Right here, you can see if I'll press the delete command for this level one, technically the dependent views like callout one and callout one of one should be deleted. But right now, you this kind of pop-up will come that these two dependent callout views are right there. Make a callout view independent, or you wanted to delete the callout view as well. If you want with the callout, that callout should be right there. Just this particular view will be deleted. You should click on that one, and now you can see that particular view is deleted, but but your callout things are right there. That's very great feature that they have added. And there are some more features, but as per my opinion, those were not that much impactful. So that is why I did not added those one. But whatever the features they have added, that I got impressed, that I added in this video. I hope you liked the video. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. Like it if you liked this one. Thanks. Let's meet in my next video.